Okay.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rachel Rising, and today we're here with Maggie.
Hi.
Maggie, how old are you?
I'm 11.
Okay, and tell us a little bit how you started coming in here.
Well, I was in a car accident and my neck was really starting to hurt, and I really wanted to go to the chiropractor, but me and my mom had we didn't really have the time yet to go, so we started coming in and Dr. Rachel started adjusting me, and I was starting to feel a lot better.
All right, well, let's get you adjusted.
Okay.
Start you face down on your tummy, please. Cool boots you have today.
They're my mom's.
Oh.
So Dr. Rachel, what are you feeling for?
So right now I'm checking for leg length to check for pelvic misalignment, but I'm feeling for misalignment in the joints from side to side. We'll start, Maggie, with you on your right side, please. So we're adjusting Maggie's low back first, top leg bent. Slide towards me. Nice and loose. Let your hip fall all the way down. Good job. And switch sides, please.
And Maggie, does that feel funny or like, is it not too bad?
It's not too bad.
Oh, good.
Call this the pretzel.
Yeah.
Nice and twisted, nice and loose. Good job. On your back. Time for the bear hug.